People spend hundreds and thousands of dollars building this particular type of application, and this app run both on web and also on mobile apps. Okay, as you can see right here, if you head over to your browser right here, you type in internet speed test. If you come to this section, you're going to see a lot of websites that are doing this stuff. So for instance, if you click on this very one right here, if you click on it, this is the website. Right? It's just a tool for you to test your internet speed, right? Okay, so if you click on this, this will start checking my internet speed and all of that. Okay, and you can see right here, this particular website is already monetized. I see these advertisements, and this particular website can work on both web and application, right? And this is not the only website doing this particular tool right here is also going to give you that same stuff. Right, all you need to do is simply set up this particular tool for yourself, and people come here to check their internet speed. And you can create this application on your website. You can also create it on a mobile app for Android and iOS. Okay, as it stands now, building this type of website is going to simply cost you a lot, but in this very video I'm going to simply show you how you can build this tool, which is an internet speed test with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which I've already created, and you can simply build this for yourself for mobile and web users. Okay, 100% for free. So without further ado, I'm going to simply show you how you can build that, and at the end part of this very video I'm going to simply show you the code that I use and where to get this code. So we're going to simply be building this app into different places. All right, we're going to be building on our website. We're also going to be building on this particular mobile app builder. All right, then sign up on this video website, then click on the login button. I've already made a lot of videos on how you can sign up. Okay, so I'm going to simply log into my account. And so if you're watching my video for the first time, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Right, so when you come to this video section, click on this create new app. All right, then click on the next button, select this one, then click on continue. So while we wait for this, the next thing you have to do is simply head over to your Canva app logo, search for app logo. I'm going to select this one, then click on customize this. Okay, let's add speed here. Okay, let's change the logo, then type in internet speed. Then let me go with this. Then click on download. You can see it's downloading already. Okay, it is done. Then fall back to this video website, then click on this section that says edit your app details. Select this, open it. All right, this is cool. Then click on save. Yes, I'm sure. All right, so app details has been saved, and the next thing we have to do is to simply go to our content. Then we're going to simply add the HTML screen. All right, then click on go to app. Let's copy this name, then paste it here. That's the app name. You come to this source code section. All right, so I'm going to simply drop the code on our Patreon page, then copy that to build your own app. All right, then you're going to simply see the code there. All right, then click on this and paste it here. All right, when you paste that, click on the save button. It is very much important, so let's go ahead and save it. Okay, if you add the code, the next thing you have to do is simply preview it. You can preview it from this section that looks like an eye. Then if you click on this, you can see right here, this is how the app is going to simply look like on your mobile app. All right, so this is just a speed tester application for your mobile data, for your internet and all of that. Okay, so whether using Android and iOS, this is perfectly going to work for you. Okay, so we're going to simply go ahead and embed the same on our web browser so that people can also access it the way they are accessing this ones right here. Okay, so this app section right here is already cool, so let's go ahead and close it. Click on the design, then your app name and logo, go ahead and click on that. You can see the app name. This is how it's looking like, but we don't want this. We want to get something else. Then click on upload image. I'm going to change this. Click on this. I'm going to simply select that image we designed from Canva. Okay, this is what we have. Then click on open button, then click on the save button. So while we're done with that, then click on this save button. You can see how it will appear on your mobile phone. Okay, so this is a cool one. So let's click on this save button. Yes, I'm in. You're gonna simply add your website so that you can use this app as well to get traffic to your application, to your website, from your Astra, Montag, Hitup ad, and the rest. Okay, so when you're done with all of these things, then go ahead and click on this monetization. So remember, you can monetize with in-app purchase or the advertisements. All right, you can monetize your app with AdMob ad, all right, where people can view ads when using your app. Okay, so if you click on this Android, then you have to simply add your Android app ID. All right, that is your AdMob app ID. Then you're going to simply add your ad unit, the interstitial, and also the banner. I've made a couple of videos on how to do this. Okay, so if you've not watched my previous video, just watch this video showing you on screen right now so you can get all the full details on how to add all of these codes. All right, so when you add the first one, which is the interstitial, you add the second one, which is the banner, and you do the same for iOS users. Okay, those that are using iPhones. All right, so remember, this app will work for both Android and iPhone users. Whenever you add that, click on the save button. But this is what I recommend you do. When you are adding this, make sure, if this is a new app, make sure you add test ad. Right, make sure you add test ad by coming onto this very section. Go to your browser, type in AdMob test ad, AdMob test ad. Right, first website, click on it. Make sure you copy this. You can see these are AdMob ad test ad right here. Interstitial, you can copy this. You go to your app, you paste it here. You also paste it for Android. Then you come back here, go to the banner, copy that on my AdMob here, then go to this section, add the banner as well. All right, so this is my app ID. Then copy that, go back to this very section, then paste the app ID here for the first one. Then go ahead and paste the same right here for Android. All right, whatever changes you make, hit on the save button. All right, so we are cool with this application. Download the app by going to the dashboard section, then click on this build app for Android and build app for iOS. Okay, so we're going to simply download this for Android first, then we'll do the same for iOS. Okay, so this is basically how to generate your app. Okay, so click on this generate app and AAB file, then click on next button. Okay, so you can simply turn them on in case you decide to add other features to your application that requires this. Okay, so click on this generate app and this will start generating the application. Okay, you can see right here it has already started. So we're going to simply give it a while to generate the application, and I'm going to simply head straight to my mobile phone and install this app. So after installation, then I'm going to simply open it and show you how it looks like. Okay, but while we wait for that, we can also build this app on our website. Copy that same code. When you copy the code, head straight to your browser and make sure you log into your website. Okay, then when you log into your website, the next thing you have to do right now for me is to install this plugin. Click on this new plugin to go ahead and get yourself a blog website. This is very much necessary for this. All right, then you go to this section right here. You have to simply add Shortcoder. Simply go ahead and install this plugin. The plugin has been installed. Then we'll have to activate it. Activated. Right, click on Shortcoder, then select create shortcode. Right, then forget about this, continue using this, then come over to this section, add the name of your app. Let's say then go ahead and paste the code here, which you're going to simply copy from our Patreon page. Okay, and publish this. All right, so this has been published. Then go to the next step which is your pages. Go to add new page. All right, but before you add that, go ahead and copy this. I think I have to copy this, so I won't have to go ahead and start typing again. Then go to this section, click on add new page. All right, then paste this right here. I think I have to make them to be capital letters. All right, so that's better. Then come to this section right here, select this, then this will open. Click on this, click on insert shortcode. All right, let's go ahead and click on this publish button. All right, so this has been published. Then let's click on this view page. Let's see how this page looks like. Okay, you can see this is our internet speed tester. You can see right here, this is the tool working perfectly for us. All right, so you can see right here, this is the tool here. Then click on this more info. You can see more information about this. So remember, you have to monetize your website. If your website blog is not yet monetized, go ahead and monetize it. And if you don't have a website blog already, go ahead and join us on the Telegram channel. Chat me up from there. My team are going to simply build and monetize your website. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the application. If it is done, let's click on this refresh button. Let's see if it is done generating. Okay, it is done. So we're gonna simply go ahead and download this, and I'm gonna download it from my mobile phone. All right, so this is the app here. So I'm gonna simply hit on this download APK, then download. Let's wait for it. All right, so the app is done. Then click on this rename button, then make sure you rename it. All right, then add this, click on OK. Then I'm going to install the app right now. So guys, if you're getting value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, then click on open button. Okay, the app is loading. Then click on this, you click on this internet speed. Okay, you can see right here the ad is already displaying, which is the test ad. Right, so let's close that. Let's check out the app itself. You can see this is working perfectly, and it is already working right here. Okay, then click on this. You're going to simply see more details about this particular application. Right, so this is how to build this type of application. So remember, when you have up to 10 people using your app already, you can change your test ad to your normal ad. Okay, and also I've already made a video on how you can promote your application, on how you can add your app on app stores, and also get downloads to that. Let's check out the website section on our mobile browser. Okay, so let's go to, all right, then go to this internet speed checker, or tester rather. All right, you can see the website is already monetized, and you can see right here, this is the internet speed that is working for us. All right, and like I told you, if you want to get this code, then I'm going to simply drop it on our Patreon page. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel. See you in the next video.